Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's dive into the latest updates on this cutting-edge device. Recent leaks and updates have created a lot of buzz around the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. People are excited about the new features and improvements that could make foldable smartphones even better. Although we don't have all the details yet, we're expecting some impressive upgrades. We're talking about better screens, smoother folding technology, and possibly some cool new software tricks. Samsung has a track record of pushing the limits with their devices, and the Z Fold 6 looks promising. Speaking of software, Samsung has been working hard on their One UI, and the Z Fold 6 is expected to benefit from the latest improvements. This could mean a more user-friendly experience, specially designed for the unique foldable design, making it easier and more seamless to use. For all of you tech enthusiasts out there, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 isn't just another gadget. It's a step forward in the world of smartphones. If you love staying up to date with the latest and greatest in tech, this is a device you'll want to keep an eye on. That's all for now on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. We'll keep you updated as we learn more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop on all things tech. Until next time.